things at home. Window.
Window. Window.
Windows let light into a room.
Wall.
Wall. Wall.
What color are the walls in your room? Door.
Door. Door.
Doors can be made of wood, metal, and other things. Fan.
Fan. Fan.
Is there a fan in your room?
Window.
Window.
Wall.
Wall.
Door.
Door.
Fan.
Fan.
With. They. That.
With.
They.
That. This. Fine. Was.
Wild animals.
Monkey.
Monkey. Monkey. Monkeys are good at climbing.
Lion.
Lion. Lion. Lions are called the kings of the jungle.
Tiger.
Tiger. Tiger.
Tigers can swim in water.
Elephant.
Elephant. Elephant.
Elephants like to eat fruits and vegetables. Monkey.
Monkey.
Lion.
Lion.
Tiger.
Tiger. Elephant.
Elephant.
Fire. Fire. Face. Face. Food. Food.
Words start with F.
Thin. Fox. Fat. Fit.
5. Fly.
Choose the picture that goes with the word. Awesome!
Monkey.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Great job!
Wall.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Awesome!
Lion.
Choose the word that goes with the
Awesome!
door.
Choose the word that goes with the
Fantastic!
Elephant.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Fantastic! Window. Can you point to
They. Let's try that again.
Fantastic!
Can you pick out?
Win.
Good try!
Great job.
Hooray! You finished the lesson!
Congratulations, you've earned a sticker. Play lessons to earn more stickers.